I've heard complaints from some of my scent work students and some exhibitors when I judge that their dogs are not getting the concept of finding odor, that the dogs aren't even looking and they're waiting until the handler points out the odor to them. Well, what happened was you inadvertently taught them they are not finding that odor for you, that you are showing them where the odor is. So let me show you how to fix that. I have odor right here in this block, and I'm going to bring out my fairly green dog that doesn't know how to search very well. His skills are not even close to being strong. He's pretty much a beginner, and let's see how he does. This is Lucky. He hasn't had a lot of scent work lessons. And so what we're going to do, I'll just ask him to search, and he's not even going to know what that means, but I always use that word before we go and look for odor. And if he doesn't find it or indicate it, I'll show you what I'm going to do to fix that. Ready? Find it. So he knows there's odor. He doesn't know what to do about it. So what I'm going to do, good boy. He actually stuck his nose in there before I reached for it. So I'm going to reward him right on the odor. But now he's all focused on the food, you see. I need him to turn away from the food and learn that he needs to move away from me and do his job before he gets the treat. Find it? Yes. Find it? There we go. So this is teaching him to move away from me, find it, and to move away from the food and to work a little bit more independently. Nice job. Go boy. Okay, let's go. Can you do it now? Find it. I need your back end not facing the camera. So he knows it's there. He doesn't know how close he's supposed to get, but you can see he's searching. Find it. So we'll try it one more time. Yes, so this time, instead of holding the odor away from where I hit it, I'm going to hold it close to where I hit it, and he has to go back to where it was in order to get the treat. Find it? Yes, good job. Yes. Find it? So see, for some reason, he thinks he's supposed to touch my hand. That's not what I want. I need him to touch the odor. Yes, that was good. So he did stick his nose in there right here. Look at, good boy. Nice job. Yes, good boy. Okay, let's try it again. Come on. Find it. See, he definitely has misinterpreted the wrong thing. He's going for my hand. Find it. Honey, you're tying us up. Stop. Find it. Ready? Find it. Yes, good boy. Nice. There you go. Find it. Find it. Nice job. Good boy. Good boy. Find it. Find it. And this is definitely him wanting me to show him where it is. It's not going to happen. Find it. Yes. Good boy. Good boy, Lucky. Nice job. Ready? Find it. Yes. Good boy. Good job. Find it. Yes. Good boy. Good boy. Ready? Find it. Yes. Good job, Luck. Good boy. So this is just a very frustrated dog. He wants me to do his job instead of him having to do his job. So obviously he has trained me well, but that's going to stop. I need him to start working instead of me. Okay, I have one more odor hide here. And hopefully, since he already searched for one, this will go a little bit faster. He's still not going to find it right away. He's probably going to make me help him, but hopefully his brain will kick in and he will start working a little bit sooner than the last search. Find it. Yes, he's using his nose. I am absolutely going to reward that. Good boy. Good job. Yes, good boy. So he was just within, it's right here. And that, yes, good boy. Find it. Nice job. Good boy. Find it. Yes to you. Good boy. Find it. Yes, good boy. Find it. Yes, good boy. So you saw how the first search he was super frustrated. It wasn't because he didn't understand. It's because he wanted me to do his job and I wasn't. And he was frustrated that I wasn't doing his job. So this one, he found it on his own. I had to help him a little bit. He didn't get really close to it. He was probably about 6 inches, but then he started poking at the odor. That's exactly what I want from him. That tells me he knows he's supposed to get as close to the odor as possible before he can get his reward.